Stoneworms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy Z Fold6 is now here at Verizon Prepaid in 3 color options. You'll have a navy color option, pink and silver shadow color options, 2 storage options, 2 to 6 gigabytes for $18.99.99 or 512 gigabytes for $2019.99. Fucking insane for a phone, $2,000. That's insane. So you're paying close to $2,000 for the phone. So yeah, there is the front and back of the Galaxy Z Fold6. Very nice looking phone. Looks like a more squared off design, which I do like. Triple camera system down the back, camera flash, hole punch set for your front facing camera there, cover screen and whatnot. There's the cover screen, hole punch for your front facing camera there. Power and bank keys on the right side of the phone right here. Back of the phone, triple camera system, camera flash. Left side or whatnot has your hand, Samsung logo embedded in that. Back of the phone, there's the hinge right there. You do have a bit of a camera bump down back, so be mindful of that. There it is, open with the hands being shown, so that's pretty nice. There it is on the inside, very nice looking phone. On the inside, like a square design, do like that. You also have a camera on the inside somewhere around here, somewhere on the right side of the phone on the inside. I believe that's where the inner front facing camera is. There it is again with it completely folded out. And there is front and back once more. Life opens up with Galaxy AI. Galaxy Z Fold6 inspires new possibilities, deeper passions, and better ways to get things done. With an expansive 7.6-inch main screen and a more conventional 6.3-inch cover screen, the versatility of Galaxy Z Fold6 makes it feel like a tablet and phone in one. The live screen allows you to explore more with circle to search and streamline tasks with note assist. New drawing assist features draws out your inner artist by magically converting your hand-drawn sketches into works of art. Powerful camera and intuitive photo assist features help you create vibrant photos that will amaze your family and friends. Live large with Galaxy Z Fold6 and pair with Verizon. Alright, so yeah. Immersive screen, impressive graphics. Level up your screen and level up your gaming experience. Totally immerse yourself with Galaxy Z Fold6 thanks to a huge screen, a lightning fast processor, and incredibly realistic graphics. Alright. Ultimate innovation, ultimate peace of mind. It holds up, it folds up, and it holds up. Galaxy Z Fold6 is built tough with Gorilla Glass, Victus 2, and IP48 water resistance. Unfold freely knowing you are covered with a one-time discounted internal screen replacement offered by Samsung. Smart AI edits, brilliant photos. Editing photos is even easier on the large screen of Galaxy Z Fold6. See more details as you instantly fix imperfections, move and remove objects, and enhance colors using AI smart tools like generative edit and more. Shop, scroll, and stream all all on one screen. The expansive screen of Galaxy Z Fold6 opens up multiple possibilities: edit, scroll, and organize, or chat, shop, and stream, all at the same time on up to 3 windows. When it comes to viewing and doing more, Fold6 is built to handle more. Right? A big screen for big discoveries. Make huge discoveries when you use Circle to search with Google on the large screen of Galaxy Z Fold6. Circle those shoes you saw on your feed and easily see where to buy them. Search is easier than ever on an expensive screen. You also have the S Pen right there, so you will have to buy it separately. And the S Pen feature, the S Pen accessory for the Fold6 is a definite must, so get that. Wide screen, slim design. Open or closed, enjoy a slim design that's light on weight and heavy on style. The fashionable foldable allows you to take big screen convenience wherever you go with ease. Seamless connectivity on the Galaxy Connected experience. Make the most of every moment with Galaxy connectivity. You can auto switch to Galaxy Buds to answer calls effortlessly. You can auto switch to Galaxy Buds to answer calls effortlessly, and you can sync to tablet to share files or photos simply with Quick Share. You can also track your health and fitness when you pair with Galaxy Watch. Alright. Summarize in the blink of AI. Simplify your day to day using Note Assist with Galaxy AI. Jot thoughts down. Watch as Note Assist automatically creates shopping list, organizes your notes, and summarize lengthy reads. Then view it all with the ease on the wide screen of Galaxy Z Fold6. 2 devices teaming up for your health. Track your health on the go with your Galaxy Watch Ultra and get deeper insights on the Galaxy Z Fold6. By pairing the two, you get personalized health tracking from your wrist and then see the results and actionable goals on the large screen of your phone. Live translations you can both see. Say bye to being lost in translation and hi to fluency in up to 16 languages when you use interpreter with Galaxy AI. While in flex mode, your phone displays translations on both screens for easy in-person conversation. So very nice features and whatnot. So Galaxy AI is a big thing on the Galaxy Z Fold6, so check it out. Specs: the Galaxy Z Fold6 has up to 27 hours of usage time. When it's unfolded, it's up to 26 hours. The Galaxy Z Fold6, when it is closed, I'm assuming it's 6.04 inches height. Type-C charging port, obviously 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 5G ultra wideband. You can record in 4K 60 on the front and 4K 60 on the back and 8K 24 on the back as well. The screen is a dynamic AMOLED 2x main display. That's like the main display, and then it has the internal display has dynamic AMOLED. That on both screens it has that. Then the main screen, which is the inner screen, has the Samsung Ultra stained glass, and then the cover screen has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on it. The front camera, on the cover screen, is 4 megapixels on the internal screen, 4 megapixel front-facing camera, with fixed focus f1.8 aperture. Then the cover screen, the front-facing camera on that, 10 megapixels, fixed focus f2.2 aperture, fast charging 2.0, up to 10 devices of hotspot, colors silver shadow, pink, and navy. It runs Android 14, One UI 6.1.1, 4G obviously, security, has fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and Knox secure. Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and ACAX, tri-band Wi-Fi, so that's pretty good. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide, optical image stabilization, autofocus, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with the optical image stabilization, autofocus, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, fixed focus, and you also have a camera flash as well. The width of the Z Fold 6, when it is folded, is 2.68 inches. When it's unfolded, it's 5.22 inches. Width, the depth of the Z Fold 6, folded, 0.48 inches. When it's unfolded, 0.22 inches there. Refresh rate 120 Hz, adaptive refresh rate there. Fast charging up to 25 watts. Battery nationwide, 4400 mAh battery. The aspect ratio on the internal display is a 21 by 18 aspect ratio, and that is a 2160 by 1856 pixel resolution. The cover screen is a 22 by 1.9 aspect ratio, 2326 by 968 pixels. Up to 12.5 days of standby time. Bixby and Google Assistant as the voice options. The main screen 7.6 inches. The cover screen 6.3 inches. Power share obviously. Full device 55.3. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 was 8.43 ounces. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset there. Hearing the compatibility is there. If you guys need help with your Galaxy Z Fold 6 from Verizon, it's here to help you out with that. It says Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is obviously your Galaxy Z Fold 6 smartphone Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick reference guide, terms and conditions, and your sign stuff in the box there. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, and it comes with the SIM ejection pin. So, yeah. So, yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now in 3 color options, 2 storage options, $1899.99 or $2019.99.99. What is insane for a phone. So you're paying roughly $2,000 for this phone for retail price. There is no option to pay for it monthly on Verizon Prepaid, so you have to pay for it full retail price. So, yeah, new contracts there, so that's a win. So the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does look very nice. It looks very nice. It has nice feature specs and all that, obviously. If you guys do get the phone, get the S Pen, because that's definitely a must-have accessory for the phone. Is an S Pen, so definitely worth checking out. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.